everyone, I'm Ian. Today I'm here with a new Nissan product to you. It's the newest 2021 product for Nissan Patrol Y62. You can have a look first. It's the wall front facelift and the complete body kit include front bumper, rear bumper, and this exterior bumpers is fit on 2020 years Nissan Patrol. It means the body kit fit on new Nissan Patrol car. Now I introduce the front facelift, the part to you. This is the front bumper, and the front bumper with grille, front grille, and the lower mesh. In the lower of the front bumper is the fog lamp. And the important and the core of front bumper is the red line, the lower lip. By now, the front facelift for the 22,000 years, it's the hands-on facelift. And I will introduce the rear facelift to you later. And now, this our product can also fit on older years. I mean about 2010 years. From 2010 years to 2019 years, change older to the newest facelift. It means you need to change more of this car. About hood, fender, headlamp, and this headlamp we also have the red one. The red one means inner of the headlamp, the chromed lines can change to red. If so, the headlamp and we are together with the lower red one. It's the real facelift of our new product. You can have a look first. Rear bumper, rear lamp, it also have a hands-on rear appearance, same as the front facelift. The exterior body kit, rear bumper, complete with the mesh and the rear lower diffuser. The rear bumper also include red reflectors, the right one, left one. If only change the rear bumper, only fit on 2020 years the Nissan Patrol car. And if you want to change the older one, I mean the years from 2010 years to 2019 years, you need to change the complete rear back door and the tail lamps. Change them together so you can become your older Nissan Patrol car to the 2021, the newest rear facelift. And our tail lamps here, the chromed strips also can change to the red one. We can paint it to red color, so we can make the tail lamps red one together with the lower diffuser together. We add the wheel trims and the side steps on the car. The wheel trims and the side steps can fit together with the exterior bumper body kit. The wheel trims include 4 pieces: front, left right side and rear left right side. Also the side step of newest Nissan Patrol Y62, you can use it fit together with the body kit because the red line of side step, it's beautiful and handsome.